Question is, consider the following ANSI C program and program is given to you. The question is int main integer x then semicolon then return 0 semicolon and close braces. The question is which one of the following phases in a 7-phase C compiler will throw an error? Option A is syntax analyzer, option B is lexical analyzer, option C is semantic analyzer, and option D is machine dependent optimizer. So basically, I hope you all know the 7 phases of a compiler design. 7 phases of a compiler design. The first phase is lexical analyzer. The first phase is lexical analyzer phase, which generates lexical error. Okay guys. Second one is syntax analyzer phase. And it generates syntax error. The third one is semantic analyzer phase. Which generates semantic error. Okay guys, then we have code optimizer phase, and then we have machine dependent and machine independent optimizer phase, right? In total we have 7 phases like that. So if you will observe the program, when compiler starts compiling, first lexical analyzer will become. So in lexical analyzer phase, each keywords or each tokens will be converted into the form of parse trees. So basically, lexical analyzer phase will convert this program into tokens. So one token is int, another token is main, another token will be open braces, another token will be close braces, then another token is this open brace, another token will be integer, another token will be x, another token will be this semicolon, next token will be return, next token will this 0, next token is this semicolon, and next token is this brace. So you can line by line observe. In first line 1 2 3 4 5, total 5 tokens will be generated. In second line, this is our first line, in second line 1 2 3, 3 tokens will be generated. In third line 1 2 and 3 tokens will be generated, and in fourth line 1 token will be generated. So total 5 plus 3 8 plus 3 11 plus 1 12, total 12 tokens will be generated. So there isn't any lexical error because this program will pass successfully by lexical analyzer phase, and lexical analyzer phase will convert this program into 12 tokens. Now after lexical analyzer phase, this program will be passed to the syntax analyzer phase, and in syntax analyzer phase line 1 will be passed successfully, but in line 2 it will show an error. If you will observe practically, integer will be unknown type keyword for ANSI C library, because in ANSI C standard library they don't have any standard keyword like integer. That is why it have to show syntax error. Means at syntax analyzer phase they have to show the error. So it should be the correct answer. But if we will observe the gate keys, if we are observing gate keys, then gate has mentioned semantical analyzer, that is option C is the correct answer. But if you will run this program on any online compiler like GCD 64-bit, you will observe syntax analyzer, you will observe syntax error surely for that, right? but GATE has answered option C as the correct answer. So guys, according to the GATE, option C is the correct answer. But if you will observe practically, then option A is the correct answer. So it is somewhat controversial question in the GATE exam, and many students has asked queries and written to the GATE that they should have to they should have to give them some bonus points for that, but GATE didn't recognize that, and this is still a controversial question in the GATE exam, right? So option A should be the correct answer according to our concept. So option A is the correct answer, guys.